Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have VS Code and Node.js installed because runtime and editor features matter. Once done, open the project folder in VS Code so your workspace is organized. Create index, HTML and script, JS files immediately, then add a script src equals script. JS/script tag before /body to connect them. Make sure to save both files. This wiring lets you edit JS and see results in the browser. Doing these first steps prevents confusion later when tools or file links. Now configure VS Code to make JavaScript development smooth. Install ESLint and prettier extensions so your code stays consistent and errors are flagged early. Next, use Live Server or the debugger for Chrome extension to run your page with hot reload. This saves time. Then set breakpoints in script. JS, add console, log statements, and open the debug panel to watch variables. These actions help you see how code executes and why values change, which speeds up fixing logic bugs and improves. To finish, organize and optimize. If your project grows, use ES modules or Webpack to bundle and keep imports clean. Commit your work and use. Git ignore to exclude Node modules. Test in Chrome and Firefox to confirm behavior. Once complete, deploy a static build or serve via Node if needed. If the page doesn't run, check the browser console for errors, confirm the script path, flush cache, and verify CORS or MIME issues. That single troubleshooting tip, read console errors, solves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.